Today, let's unbox the all-new DJI Neo. This is such a small package. Can you imagine? Fly more bundle in this package. Wow! Oh, the batteries. And there's 3 of them. See, palm size? Wow. And it's so light. The cables and a screwdriver. We have the controller. Okay, this is the basic controller. And then yada yada papers. Ooh. Propellers. And then, oh, this is it. This is the Neo. My palm. I would consider this a palm size. No? And it's super light. And that's without battery now. The battery, let's see how heavy it is. Still so light.